अ, जैसा कि आप लोग जानते हो, मुझे इंग्लिश नहीं के बराबर ही आता है, बट इट इज़ अ चैलेंज। आई एम एक्सेप्टेड इट चैलेंज, एंड I should be learn English and spoke English. So it's our first class, and I am join this, and every day I thought, and I am every day trying to every day one episode, one video upload in my YouTube channels. That's learning to me, and others follow subscriber my YouTube channel, so he learn, uh, and that's try and learn English. Every day I should be spoken English, and when I am learning English, because English is a global language, and I am जिस समय सोचता हूँ I should be understand in India, India in India more language, Hindi, English, Marathi, Bhojpuri, Malayalam, etc. But when every person should be try spoke English, because English is a educated person language. So uh, I should be trying English. So it is my first day. So more problem. So today I am more problem face every day. But I am not tried any. I am accepted it, or uh, so I spoke English. Uh, India in this time 2025, uh, a विशेष extra mela that's name is Kumbh in Prayagraj. Very politician party in this time, politics in Kumbh Mela, but I thought it is not a politician point. Kumbh Mela is not a politician point. Uh, that is not goods in Indian cultures, and etc. So our request, every leaders, every politician party, you are thought positive of Kumbh, because every and because I know every day 1 crore people's minimum uh, coming in Kumbh, and washing Ashnan in Prayagraj Trivedi Sangam. So that my governments, UP governments, Yogi Adityanath, and Indian governments, leaders of Indian government, Narendra Modi has very try mm, try of success Kumbh Mela. So I am very happy, and uh, I try to thanks both government, because some parties said not used more expenses and government money in use Kumbh Mela, because Kumbh Mela is a communal फेस्टिवल, एक त्योहार के रूप में है, जो कि एक विशेष समुदाय के लिए है कम्युनल। बट आई एम डू नॉट थॉट दैट्स that is very wrong. Kumbh Mela is a cultures of India, is a Sanatani, every Hindu. So I thought more than countries peoples coming in Kumbh Mela. that जब वो आते हैं, when he come in Kumbh Mela, that's more expensive anything. So I thought that is positives of my GDP. That is positives of my GDP. His foreigners persons come in India and uh, and invest expense money. That money is parts of GDP. I listened to more social media sites, X and Facebook news. He said he said uh, 2000 crore rupees minimum, uh, uh, minimum so 2000 crore rupees expense UP government, and 5000 thousands crore rupees expense central government. So, but I thought that is not expensive. uh, I thought that money is investment of Kumbh Mela. uh, you thought if persons if come in Kumbh Mela, uh, 30 crores peoples, that's you said uh, every person minimum expense in Kumbh Kshetra, Kumbh area, 3000 rupees. So that's you thought 3000 every persons, and minimum uh, 30 13,000 13 crore uh, peoples in coming Kumbh. So that you thought how many crore rupees in expense and helpful of GDP. uh, and it's and Sanatan Dharma is very all over world, world's peoples are coming in this kshetra. So that is very happy, and I am looking watching more types sant in Kumbh Mela, Naga, Brahmacharya, etc., and more leaders are coming. uh, so I am very wonderful. That's tomorrow Agnikand, fires in some area, and only 3 minutes, 100 army and government persons are coming, and controls of this fire uh, only 10 minutes. It is very wonderful, and that is successful of Yogi government's control. So I am very very thank uh, and so Yogi government is very very मैं उन्हें बहुत धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूँ. That's it is learning points of all state and central governments. So how many types of control uh, of rusted area. So very I am very happy of Yogi government. Yogi is my uh, my best leaders in this time. Okay, thank you. And I am meets yesterday, and our try. I am trying any times every day one episode upload in my YouTube channels, and you listen watching in this video. That's you are trying spoken English, because spoken English is a global language, and in this time I thought if you spoke in English, then more than people's thoughts thoughts. You are an educated person, so our request of any peoples, you are trying anytime. Okay, thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Jai Hind.